looking to get into a buy trade on EU. It's January 10th, 540. Trade in London. Been up for a while. Missed this trade. I'm going to try to capitalize now on the RTO. So it broke out this range. Made a high, came down, made a low. I did not get in on this one. Trying to focus on the buy from the RTO. Return to origin. So selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test. This marks the end of phase A. So looking for additional confirmation. That's low volume right now. But I see this as a sign of strength, right? So rose, change of character with that swing up, came down, closed back within the range. It liquidated that, but it closed within the trader range. So I see this as a potential sign of strength, high volume, but price not pushing down or breaking the other lows. And yeah, we're just, I try to record this live, so we're just waiting on confirmation. Looking for a break. This AR, honestly. So five-minute time frame is my green, so it is bullish still. This is the low of the green, so it didn't break the low structure. Gave bullish structure on the 5-minute. And it was at 4:15 this morning, so made that high around 4:15. Price came down, playing around. Hopefully we can start making new highs now. Make a new high rather up into this 5-minute POI. So I do have an alarm set. Price can actually go lower too, down here to this unmitigated higher time frame point of interest. So this is the 30-minute higher time frame here. So it could go low. If it breaks this, then I'll just look for another buy opportunity from here. And I'm not looking for sales right now. To me, it's bullish. So broke high. Latest break structure are bullish. So yeah, if it retraces down here, I'll be looking for buys. I'm not looking for sales at all. Let's go back down to the lower time frame, see where we are. All right, so we broke the AR. Ooh, nice. We broke the trading range. So sign of strength for sure. Did I miss this? It's not a lot of room to go up because this is a one-on-one. Excuse me, one-on-one, but I'm not looking for this. So I'm mitigated 30-second supply zone. So not looking to take this right now. Hopefully it comes up, mitigates it, drops back down, then I'll be looking to take a trade. So looking for something like this now, then I'll be looking to take this. Or if it shows me another sign of strength, then I'll take that as well. I just need confirmation. A volume at the high price, so we're looking for a retrace now. This could be one of those schematics where it doesn't have a spring. So demand profile volume did increase, so that's a good sign. Supply profile volume, supply represents the black bars, demand the blue bars. So supply decreased, demand has increased. Man, my mouse is moving slow. It's choppy. This is my risk calculator that I created. Very simple, nothing fancy. It's based off my stop loss. So this is a 2 here though. It's not bad. So let's see what happens. I could take this up to here and get out at this supply zone and move to break even at this supply zone if it comes down and liquidates these lows. Okay. I may take this, not sure. So this is, let's say a 2 pip stop, right? Pip stop loss. Okay. Three, two, three, nine. So it did liquidate the lows, it didn't liquidate this one. But it did liquidate the low, so it could push up. If it doesn't push down to here, man, I may not take it. My stop loss is underneath this structure, though, if it calms down. A quick 2%, it's not bad, actually. $2.25. 50% of this forward here. I am not in, even though it triggered here, I'm not in this trade yet. Maybe I should have, because it's high volume, right? Relatively high volume. Price not pushing down. But I want to see a break. I want to see some sort of change of character, man. So break of structure, bullish, change of character. See supply volume increasing slightly. That's going to close as an inside bar. Yep, it did. And minor break of structure right there. All right, I think I missed my opportunity. Don't wait too long. Too much hesitation. But the reason why I didn't get in is I don't like this. So it's an increase of supply volume. It's like, but you can see the increase, right? Bigger candle compared to this, but volume is smaller, right? So could change now, of course. Change, a lot of effort is being put. It's like a divergence, right? So bigger body, smaller volume, smaller body, bigger volume. So it's like divergence waiting for excuse me, a potential retrace. Yeah. could break this high though, and it did with high volume. So, all right, let's wait for this to get liquidated, come back down, and wait for another opportunity to buy it. It would have been a perfect trade if I would have taken it at 50% of the imbalance. Like I outlined. Yeah, if I would have taken it, I should have, because I did mark 50% of this imbalance. Price came, tapped it perfectly, and started going up. So I should have took it and smoothed my stop to BE as it broke this minor structure. Grab that liquidity. Hopefully it comes back up, mitigates this by making a new low. Probably respecting this low or this low at least, but make a new low and then continue to push up, making new highs to liquidate higher time frame. This higher time frame high. This is what I'm looking for. New York opens at 7 though, so we have an hour and 8 minutes. It's 5:52. There's no news that I can see, no high impacted news. I only show this the important folders. I don't look at the yellows. So no high impacted news today. Volume, price not dropping lower, which makes me believe it's going to come up and mitigate this and then drop lower. So if this becomes like a breaker or a flip, whatever you want to call it, then I look for a buy from here. So what I mean is if price goes up, mitigates, comes down, like it's breaking and then just break out, then I look to buy from here. So it become a flip at that moment, or a break, or whatever you want to call it. It's just technically a point of interest here. Price slightly broke out, like this down move for the up move, but I'm not looking to trade that. This I do believe is going to hit TP. We just missed the opportunity. I missed it, not we. So I missed the opportunity. Some of you may have taken it. So you do see the change of character though, right, on this lower time frame. So a smaller liquid structure. So this was the AR. Excuse me. Came down, broke structure, right? So here, made a low, broke structure. So it's breaking structure, right? Made a low, and I think it's going to break structure. Yeah, this is what I think is going to happen. But you can see it clearly. So right now, what? 1.2, 1.7. I'm looking to take it up to 2.25. Again, I did not take this trade. I should have taken it when I marked this 50% of this imbalance right here. Price came down, touched it perfectly, and made a high. All right, it's break. May break structure. It's not breaking yet. It's just a low. Excuse me. It is Eastern time, so it's 5:56. I'm tired. I've been up since 3. But it's not able to break out this trading range now. So here, almost 100% right, but not quite. But still, that's a change, right? It didn't make a new high, failed to make a newer high. Price wanted to move higher, it should have moved high. So I do think we're going to have a retracement now coming, but we'll see. Excuse me. I know we had this, man, whatever candle this is, the baby candle. Yeah, so maybe think we're going to retrace a little bit more. Could respect this low still, but come down. Probably make a double bottom, I guess. So make a double bottom and push up and start coming down more. Drink some water. Or triple bottom. Sorry, this, I guess you can consider this as a double bottom. This is sell side liquidity for sure. All right, so we have this trend line. Here you have a buy side liquidity. I guess this a pennant or a flag or whatever you want to call it. I know I can never remember. So you grab the liquidity above. What about this one? Created a double top. Looks like it's the same price, right? So let's see, 3292, 3292. So equal highs for sure. Buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, broke out that high, going up now to take this high. If we would have gotten in the trade, it would have hit TP. So that's all good. Should have got in. Proper structure, but man, it's moving super slow, yo. Let me refresh page. Why is it moving slow? Always refresh, like cash fee. I wonder if it's just Chrome. Chrome is heavy. It's a heavy browser, so sure use Safari. chair, office chair. There we go, hit TP. So should have taken that trade. That would have been a great trade. Let's see what happens here. Alright, so this is actually a higher time frame pullback. Broke minor structure here. So this is 5 minutes. You can see the 5 minute, right? Which is the green. So okay, now broke minor internal structure. So technically should be able to make a high. So come here and make a high. Right? Something like this. It probably push up and liquidate this. So if this on the 30-second does become a flip or breaker, then I will look try to take this. Alright, so I see. Let's just watch price, see what happens. Like that. It's just remember, this is the excuse me. Excuse me. So my 5 minute is bullish now, not bearish. All right, because it broke out. It was bearish yesterday here, or my yesterday was at night. So I caught this trade down though, actually. So it was a beautiful trade. I did like this one. So I caught this move down yesterday. On the sale. And I typically don't like to trade on Sundays, but I did yesterday. I saw this, it was too enticing. So I saw breaker structure here. I'll pull back on this break is when I took the trade. Anyway, so now it's bullish. Break here. We may be able to take this trade up. It's beautiful. So it's liquidating the lows, liquidating the lows. See what happens. So I think that this is now going to be fully liquidated. And our first area TP will be here on out for a higher time frame. So close out all these shorts, liquidating their positions. Let's wait for it's not out of here. All right, so let's wait for all right, smaller time frame. Then again, like I said, it could come down here, right? So last night in Smart Money section, I posted. This is before Rick started the Dion. So at 1:10 p.m. yesterday on the Sunday, you can see I had this one, and this is where I took the sale from. So I took the sale from here to this POI. But it could come down lower, right? Yeah, I'll do this. So I took the sale at this break to this point of interest at 3345. That was a nice trade. It hit while I was asleep last night. But this bigger move down now, that's the higher time frame, 30-minute bullish POI. So it could come here. I'm going to see if it holds. If it breaks, then here, and I look for a buyout from there. So based off my analysis from yesterday, we'll see. or may hold this. And I just look for by confirmation. See what happens. Oh, I gotta turn this heat off. It's hot. All right, sorry, my chair squeaks. How cold is it? Mercy, 26 degrees. Probably liquidate all of these. It could potentially produce a spring. It broke out the trading range. So I don't see another good point of interest, so I think it may drop lower now. Broke. Alright, so if you see all of these, break, yeah, and pull back, either break down. You get a start price, right? So to find a right move, the appropriate move, good move, you stock it. But I don't see a good POI now. You may be setting up, building liquidity, setting it up. So we'll see. Other POI I have is down here. I think it probably will come lower now. Now just look for a buy from this POI. 50% POI. Yeah, it's still breaking down. I'm tired. Volume at the bottom. Price not moving lower. Let's see. This is the last lower high on the 32nd time frame. Increasing volume at the bottom. High volume, bullish power, demand coming in. High supply volume, but price couldn't break and close outside. Now it did break, but didn't close. Price closed within POI. All right. I gotta stay on the 32nd time frame. It's the time frame that works best for me. People can drop down here and look at this stuff. It's hard to see for me. Still structure, right? So you do see a minor breakup. Structure here, not a minor. It broke here, broke this high. May break this high now. Broke this high. Alright, so 30-second high was last lower high. Just broken and new high was created. You can see the change of structure here. So here and here. Alright, so here you can see this change of structure. BOS up, high volume, broke with high volume. It's convincing. Yeah, I missed this one too, and I should have taken it, but it's all good. I'm gonna wait for a retrace. Be patient. Patience pays. Change character. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Breaks will have volume here, and then I will look to take this trade with my stop loss underneath this structural low. Let's look at volume. Okay, and then the trade, I just took it. Let's see what happens. And this trade just took a buy, fluctuating like crazy. I think I got a little slippage though, so I entered at 3289. 89 is my entry. It's just a 1.5 trade, man. Let's see if I can take it up here. Make this new high. Alright, so add potential of this high. Three, 4, 4, 7. Okay, breaking. Not a bad trade so far. Not a bad trade so far. Okay. Okay, I took half and moved in my entry to BE. I do take partials on my trades. So 3289, right? So 3289. I move my TP to VE. Not TP, sorry, I move my entry to break even. So now, risk-free trade, took some partials. Yeah, price can come back down to, I guess you can consider this like a backup, but hopefully not. Hopefully it hits this. Let me take some more. So I closed like 90% of my position. So if it comes down to stop me out, I still have 2 lots open on the trade. So it'll close 80%. 80? Yeah. 2 lots open on the trade. So, all right. I'm letting it ride now. And yeah, letting it ride. See what happens. And the reason why I got in this trade is because it broke. We had to move down, broke structure. I put my stop loss. Oh, I could have had a tighter stop. I normally, try to put my stop loss after talking to Radu Zinzin. I normally try to put my stop loss 2 structures below now, especially when I'm trading lower time frame. So I could have had a tighter stop and moved it here instead. That's all good. So it was really 3 pips. I know I said 3.6, but it was three pips. So let me do this the right way. So it's 3 pips in. Oh, so it was 2 structures. My bad. I wasn't reading it right. So 2 structures below, 3 pips in. Had my stop here, but the reason why I took it is demand volume was increasing, so it broke structure with increased demand volume. Retraced, broke struck. No, price wasn't pushing lower to break the structure, but it had high volume pretty much. And when I saw price started to increase again and it broke this structure, I figured it's going to break it, and I took it somewhat like a buy stop, but I market executed. Figured it would break structure with strong, what is called bullish demand. And then price started going up, going up, going up. When it hit 1-to-1, basically, I moved my stop loss to break even. Took some partials, took 80% partials. So Real risk-free trade. Taking. Still left 2 lots on. So with 2 lots on, my final TP is up here, making a new higher high. I could try to ride it higher. Let me look at something. And I should, right? Yeah. I'm gonna try to ride it higher to up here with, so instead, so at 14330, right? 14330. I already have a alert set here though, so I can look at that. 14330. I'm gonna try 14330. And this is, I want to say the 4-hour POI. Yeah. So this was like the last backup of a distribution on a 4-hour time frame. So it may be able to potentially push up to here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause. Where are we? Now what is price doing? I know it just hit. Okay, hit my alarm, created a new 5-minute high from this overall POI. So if it stops me out, excuse me, at break even, then I'll look for another entry. Yeah, I'll look for another entry if it stops me out at break even here. But the next TP that I'm looking to hit is right here. And then the overall is up here. All right, which is 14330. Not there, my bad. Oh, what happened? Oh, here. 14330. 14330. This is the overall target. It's a big swing trade. But let's see if it works. If my stop loss gets hit, though, then I'll look for another entry. So we'll see. All right, I'm gonna pause. I'll be back. Whichever entry gets hit first, I'll come back and start re-recording. Yeah, this is just a continuation of the excuse me, current trade I'm still in. Price is pulling back hard, and I think it's about to hit my stop loss at break even. So, as I said before, when it does, excuse me, when it does, I'll look for another opportunity to get in. So let's see. So watch it hit my stop loss. So within the Wyckoff schematic, right, it is hard for me to determine what is a valid last point of supply in the distribution or last point of support, aka backup in the accumulation. But I do see this here, and I'm not sure if this is the last point of, if this is the backup or not. Man, it's reacted to it nicely for sure, but not sure if it's the, man, did Spurrier take me out? No, I'm still in the trade. Spread didn't take me out yet. So what's the spread? Spread is 0.4 on Funded Trader. So I took this on my challenge account, Funded Trader. I'm out, all out. Spread took me out finally. So spread took me out. The funded trader. So I'm all out of this trade right now. So I look for another opportunity. This may be it. What did I delete? Prices came all the way down, right? Low, lower high, lower high, low, higher high, broke structure on I may retake this trade right now with half a risk. Go. No. I don't want to miss the trade, so I took it. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 8, 1, 3, 2, 8, 8. It's my stop loss just in case that thing's crazy. And then my entry is 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3. I took a small position. So yeah. All right. And I'm still on the target. So my lot size is a 1. I have 1 standard lot on right now. Off the concept of this is my backup, right? So price should respect this POI, which it kind of did off the backup. So it should push up higher, right? And with it pushing up higher, I'm still going to target this higher time frame. Remember, all the way up here to this 4 hour. 4, yeah. 1, 4, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 3. Oh, that's my target. That's what I'm aiming for. We'll see. Right now I'm in drawdown. So, and it may take me out again. So if it takes me out, I'm done. No. Don't do it. The spread gonna take me out. I thought I accounted for spread correctly. I may not. Alright, so from here to here. It's my expectation. Technically got another POI here. Alright, so I'm gonna delete this one. I can delete that one. And I'll delete this one too. Too much pajama stripes going on. It may take me out now. Yeah, I think it's gonna take me out. Yeah, it took me out. Okay, so taking out. I'm taking out by spread. All right. So I was taking out by spread. So that backup didn't work. But yeah, trying to figure out the backup. So all right, so I'm done trading, man. Made fairly decent profit today. So I'm all right. All right. Thank you for watching. God bless you.